Good morning everyone and welcome to this channel for another day. In today's video we are going to talk about how to block access to some pages on the internet. So if you want to learn how to block websites on your computer, this is your video. In this video I'm going to show you two methods to block a website on your computer in case you want to block some kind of content for someone or if you want to play a joke on someone. If what you want is to learn how to throw pages from the internet, I recommend that you subscribe to the channel because soon I will make a video talking about this type of attacks by cyber criminals. The first method is using an add-on for the Chrome browser. This add-on is called BlockSite. What we are going to do is search for it on Google and install it in our browser. Once we have it installed and enabled, the icon of this plugin will appear in the browser bar. To block a website, all we have to do is enter once to that website and click on the plugin icon. Then we click on Block this site and that's it. To unblock the page, we click on the plugin icon and select Edit Blocked Sites List. There, we select the page and unblock it. If you want to make it a little more complicated to unblock a website, you can right-click on the icon and hide it from the taskbar. And now only this icon will be visible from the three dots menu of the taskbar. As you can see, it is a very simple method to use, but it is also very simple to unhide. So let's move on to the next one. The second method is by touching the host file of our operating system. For those of you who don't know, inside your operating system there is a file called host, which initially many years ago was used as a DNS server. That is to say, this file was used to know the name of a web page to which IP it corresponded. Nowadays, with the use of DNS servers, it is not necessary to have this file, but even so, in every request, that is, every time we try to enter a web page, this file is consulted. So if we modify this file, we can make a web page inaccessible from our computer. So we are going to edit this file, so we go to the computer to do it. We have to go into this computer or my computer, depending on the version of Windows you have. We go into the hard drive and follow the following path. Windows System 32, drivers, etc. And here we have the host file. To edit this file, we must have permission. So to make sure, we right-click and Properties, Security, and Edit. Select the user group and make sure we have right permission. Once checked, we will be able to edit the file. Right-click and Open With. From this list, you can edit it with the Notes blog itself. What we must write in this file is the IP of localhost, that in case you do not know it, is 127.0.0.0.0.1. Space and the domain that you want to block, facebook.com, for example. Now you only have to save and that's it. If we try to access facebook.com, you will see that it is blocked. It may take a while to take effect, but if you restart the computer, you will see that you cannot access. To re-enable the page, you only have to delete this last line that we have added, save. And that's it. As an extra method, I will tell you that there are also some internet companies that offer a service to block web pages, but in my point of view, I think it is a very expensive service for what it offers, because as you have seen, it is quite simple, and also free to block some web pages. In fact, if you want to block a series of Google searches on your computer, I leave below a link that explains how to do it on Google's own page. And so much for today's video. If you liked it or you found it useful, please leave me a like or a comment. If you like computer security in general, you can visit my channel where I have a lot of videos. And if you want to subscribe, well, who am I to tell you not to? I am Borja Galisteo, and I upload a video every week. See you in the next video. Ciao.